Hi guys, and welcome to my channel Express Russian, Learn Russian Online. You often ask me how do I answer the question how much or сколько in Russian, and most importantly, what is the difference between all those words мало, немного, чуть-чуть, несколько. Let's discover in this video the differences. As you have noticed, there are several phrases you can use according to your situation. Okay, let's start with the first word много. Много is an easy word, so it means much, many, a lot, plenty, and it can be used both with countable and uncountable nouns. For example, у меня много работы. I have a lot of work. В доме много комнат. There are many rooms in the house. So you see, it goes both ways, and it's a simple word which you can use in any situation. There is no connotation, no preference towards more polite or more colloquial way. The next word is mála. You use genitive after it, same as with много. Mála means little or few, and sometimes it means too little or too few. For example, в воде мало рыбы. There are few fish in the water. Or у меня мало работы. I have little work or not enough work. У него мало опыта. He doesn't have experience or doesn't have enough experience. So basically he has a little bit of experience, but very little. And the next word is немного. It's similar to мало, but it's not exactly the same. Немного means a little, a few, a bit, some, and at least you want to express at least some quantity. For example, дайте мне немного масла. Give me a little bit of butter. Я немного понимаю по-русски. I understand a little bit in Russian. You can also say у меня немного работы. A little bit of work. I have a little bit of work. Another word is chut-chut. It's used quite in colloquial speech, so be careful, don't use it in formal settings. Chut-chut means just a little, and it means exactly the same as немного. Also pay attention when немного is written separately, it means not much. When немного is written together, it means a little bit, but when you want to underline that it's really not much, you put it separately, немного. For example, у меня немного работы. It means I don't have much work, or I don't have much. Yeah, I don't have much, it's not much. Сколько у тебя друзей? Немного. I don't have many. Сколько в корзине яблок? Not much. Немного. Just 5. Only 5. Только 5. The next word is несколько. Несколько, you will also need to use genitive case with it. So несколько means several, multiple, at least a couple. Be careful, it can be only used with countable nouns. So the nouns you can count, you can't use it with something that you can't really touch. For example, в доме несколько комнат. There are several rooms in the house. В корзине несколько яблок. There are several apples in the basket. I hope it's clear. And by the way, to say no, you need to just use нет. It's very simple. У меня нет работы. I have no work. Or I don't have any work. У меня нет сестры. I don't have any sister. I don't have it all. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow my social media in Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Пока.